Good morning. Happy new week. It's Monday. What can I say? I'm on my own. Tom's on his marathon. Spoke to him yesterday. We're fine. Absolutely fine. Found it easy. Did it in an hour and 40, which is really good because I can't even run a bath. Never mind a bloody half marathon. Sorry, he did half marathon. So proud of him for doing that. Said it was easy. Liverpool's flat. And then this morning he's like, I've been up all night, my legs are wrecked. I think his legs have, mentally it's easy, but I think it's knackered his legs, you know what I mean? So he's got today off. A couple of ice baths, recovery, saunas, go down to the gym, get some saunas in and do his stuff, you know what I mean? But yeah, so today's main goal for me is this pile, which I've been putting off for about a week now. Every time I'm like, oh guys, I'm going to do a pile. Never do it. I'm going to do it today. I'm going to do it. And I found one frog already, which I'm not happy about. Worst thing is, he's gone in the pile. So I'm going to come across him again. Horrible things. So, yeah. Bit of driving about. Bit of me throwing stuff on the van. Tuna and rice, throwing stuff on the van, driving about. That's it really, that's it. But it's Monday. I love Mondays. I love them. So guys, see you in a bit. Tell you what guys, this place to me is like just absolute porn. Like, I've driven diggers, I'd love to work on them chipper things, whatever. I'd love to buy one, you know what I mean? But God, it's boring driving diggers. It's boring moving stone from here to there, here to there, here to there. You know what I mean? But the fact of the business side of it, just come on time then, they're all on the break. The business side of it, to me, I've paid to tip that. In about 6 months time, I'll be probably buying that back. Now that's just win-win, innit, for these guys. Obviously cost of machines and whatnot, but there's constant retail in here, people coming in and buying, grab wagons coming in and tipping. So it's a bit of a bumpy bit here. But that to me, oh, I'd love it. I'd absolutely love it. So I keep on talking to Tom because I want a lot of you might have who are in this trade. Tiger Bite. They've got this tiny little half a ton machine, whatever, and it'd shred all of this that we've got. Now, a lot of people have said, wouldn't it be more cost effective to not get rid of that waste, you know, all this blah 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 blah. And it is, if you own it. Now, to rent one out from MKM, it's, I think it's £130 a day, and then you've got a man, so you're talking between £250 and £300 a day, right? Just standing there doing that. Now I've just tipped that for just short of 20 quid, and then, oh yeah, that's tight. And then tomorrow I'm going to go buy some hardcore to fill into that gap for probably the same, £17 a tonne, including VAT. That, so that's just quick in and out in it. It's around corner. It's 3 miles away. It's not too bad. But yeah, the only way to do it really is to buy it. Now, when you buy it, it costs 20 grand, and I think the finance on it is £470 a month. Now, I would use it for one day on every job, and not every job either. So that's costing me, if we're on here 2 weeks, that's costing me 200 quid. You know, so you'd have to buy it out cash. It's the only way around it really, I think. I think everyone's gone mad for it because it all looks good. But I bet on paper, it's not like buying a digger, where you get a digger. I don't charge for me bringing a digger in because speed overtakes it, so it's just done. But yeah, I don't think they're cost effective unless you own one or you're hiring it. You're hiring it out as a company. Nah, I don't think it is. But I need to win Tom over. I need to win Tom over and just go buy one. Just don't tell him. Like I did with our car. I didn't tell our lass we were getting a new car, and I just went and bought it. Just can't say out then, can she? So, but yes, that is my pawn. That I'd love a quarry. I just love it. And I think if you were driving diggers and stuff, and I'm going to do it all myself, boring. But yeah, brilliant. I love it. Oh, just me in it. Oh yeah, but this part where you've just seen on that time lapse then with driving through all these windy roads, it's well nice up here. I've never liked Huddersfield. It's like there's one road in, or there's 2 roads in, with one road through Middle Leeds Road where the stadium is and stuff, and everywhere else is just traffic. But up here I seem to be like, I don't even know if I'm near Castle. Don't know where I am here, but Kirkheaton area, yeah, it's alright. I'd live up here, me. I bet it snows up here a lot, but it does. Now, because I'm working on my own, I think it looks like I'm just talking to a camera because I've got no one else to talk to. Like I said on the last video, I just talk to our lass all the time. We don't shut up talking, which is a good thing. But yeah, you guys keep me going, man. When I'm on my own, keep me going. But I think Tom's coming in at dinner at lunchtime, because we've got a friend that owns quite a big, actually, building firm, does loft conversions and stuff, ATI properties, and he's working on the house behind Tom, so Tom's trying to get some sleep and rest his legs and do what he's got to do. It's not working for him. They're all round back digging out for footings and stuff. So I think he's coming in. We'll see. But yeah, nearly back at job now. And that only took me 45 minutes to load van up. Oh well, happy with myself. I'll see you back on site, guys. guys, we've got rid of the pile. Finally got rid of it. Whew. So, got rid of the pile, got rid of all the flags. From the barrow that way, just needs a bit digging out. 50 mil, something like that. And then that top corner, just got all this concrete base up. Can't be up, garage ain't built on that base, mate. I fucking did it myself, you know what I mean? So, anyway, got that done. So tomorrow, sleepers in for this step, fence up, shaping up. I've got Wednesday off. I'm just gonna get it tattooed half a day, but I think I'm gonna be in for a full day. Just keep going, don't stop. And yeah, that's it really. Just a bit of a bitting and batting day, getting this. Obviously I didn't think Tom were here, so I didn't bring a whacker and stuff, but yeah, every work's done. Time to bring stuff in now. So I'll see you tomorrow, 8 o'clock sharp.